Hey, it's Mr. Schneer, and I'm here to show you how you can change the language on a YouTube video. So if you're watching a YouTube video in English, you look down here. If you see CC, that means subtitles, closed captions. You press it, and that'll give you English subtitles. Check it out. Here they go.
Late on the afternoon of Saturday, March 25th, 1911, the 500 employees of the Triangle
Okay.
Shirtwaist Company were racing.
See, it gives you the subtitles in English, but you could change the language. Watch this. You come over here to where it says settings. You click it. Up here it says subtitles CC English auto generated. You click that, and then you go to auto translate. Click that, and look at all the different languages you can change the subtitles to. So I want to go to Spanish. Let's say I want to listen to it in English, but then read it in Spanish. So I'm going to go down. Keep going, Mr. Schneer. Go down to Spanish. Where is it? I passed it. Spanish. There we go. Click Spanish. And now watch what happens when I press play.
To fill their quotas. Teenage girls, for the most part, eager to finish up, collect their pay,
And now
and plunge into
it's in Spanish.
around 4:45.
That is how
With just 15 minutes left in the
you change the language.
someone on the eighth floor
If you need to do it again, well, hold on.
into the heaps of
If you need to do it again, do it again. Okay? Watch the video again, follow the steps, change the subtitles to Spanish or any other language. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Take care.